Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover select class with example. So we have opened the Eclipse. Now I have created one select class. Okay, select class. So I have given here the X path. Okay, the ID car select and the value BMW. Okay, and here I have given car select, same thing, value are different. Okay, in all the three I have used XPath. Okay, here I have created the constructor and called page factory to initialize all these three elements, and I am clicking on this simple. Okay, first, second, third, and now this initialize browser, then maximize window, implicit weight I put, same URL I have used, getting its title, and then we are selecting select class. I have created the object of that class to call its method. Select first, select second, and select third, and I have put thread dot sleep wait java wait just to show you that it is getting clicked or not, and tear down just to close it. Okay, now we will start and run it so that you will get some idea how it will work to select class. Okay, maximize the browser. Now it's opening the URL is loading. Now it will click, I think first it will click BMW. Okay, yeah, all the three are click. Have you seen it? Once again we will do it so that you see it. Okay, yeah, now it's loading. Application loaded, BMW. Okay, now second value Benz, now Honda. Able to see now, and it passed. So like this select class will work. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.